welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut a wrap top, how to draft a wrap top perfectly. So if this is what you like to learn, stay tuned to the end of the video. Please, if you are watching and you've not subscribed to my channel or you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Let's go right into the video. So in front of me I have my basic bodice pattern, my half scale basic bodice pattern drafted down already. So you open your pattern paper, unfold as you can see on the table. So on this side, on the left side of the shoulder, you are going to mark 3.5 inches or 4 inches. It depends on how you want your wrap to be open. So here I'm going to mark 3.5 inches on the shoulder from this side, and then coming to the center of the pattern, you determine how deep you want your cleavage to show. So here I'll be coming down by 7.5 inches, and then on the hemline you are going to go up by 2 inches or 2.5 inches. Let me make it 2.5 inches, and then you connect the 3 points from this shoulder to this center neck and then to the side. You can use your free hand or you can use your curved ruler. I'm going to try to blend it with my pencil first before I'll highlight it with the marker. So I think I got it well. Yeah. So let me use the marker to blend it well. So guys, this is it. This is our wrap neckline, and you are going to cut 2 pieces of this times 2. You are going to cut 2 pieces, one for the left and one for the right to overlap. So what I'm going to do now is to cut it out. And then you can now slope your neckline a bit. So guys, this is it. Our wrap neckline is ready. So you are going to cut 2 pieces of it, one for this and then one to overlap it. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share my video, leave comments, and don't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.